In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD files that won't open, or when Windows shows the error message, Windows cannot find the CAD.EXE. Whether you're working on an important project that suddenly won't load, or you just want to make sure your AutoCAD files open smoothly every time, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, go to the folder where your AutoCAD drawing file is saved. Right-click on the file that's giving you the issue, and then select Properties. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Opens With. This is where the problem usually begins. If it's not correctly linked to AutoCAD, Windows won't know which program to use when you double-click your drawing. Next, click on the Change button right beside it. You'll see a list of suggested apps. Sometimes AutoCAD might appear as AutoCAD Drawing Launcher, but if you still see the same issue after choosing it, don't worry. Click on More Apps, scroll all the way down, and select Look for another app on this PC. Now navigate to your system's program files, then open the Autodesk folder. Inside, find the version of AutoCAD you're currently using. Once inside that folder, locate the file named CAD.EXE. That's the actual AutoCAD application. Select it, click Open, and then confirm by clicking Apply and OK. To make sure everything works perfectly, double-click your DWG file again. This time, it should open directly in AutoCAD without showing that annoying error. If it still doesn't, check whether your drawing was created in an older version of AutoCAD. Opening old drawings in a newer version sometimes causes conflicts in that case. Simply open AutoCAD first, then use the Open option inside the app to browse and load the file. A quick extra tip if you work with multiple AutoCAD versions, always keep your drawings saved in a slightly older format, like 2018 DWG. This makes your files more compatible and avoids version-based errors later on. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the AutoCAD file not opening issue or the Windows cannot find CAD.EXE error easily and quickly. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others who might be facing the same issue, and subscribe for more AutoCAD fixes and design tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.